Hi, my name is Alex Caswell. I am a wealth planner at RHS Financial. And today I'll be talking to you about two big changes in charitable donations for 2020. As many of you are aware, the federal government passed the CARES Act not too long ago. As part of the CARES Act, there was a lot of focus on unemployment and also stimulus check, but a part of it was expanding the ability for individuals to donate to charities. So the two changes particular to the CARES Act that impacts charitable donations, first is the ability to donate $300 to a charity of your choice and be able to deduct it even if you use the standard deduction. The second big change is instead of being able to deduct 60% of your AGI, if you contribute cash, you now can deduct 100% of your AGI. So really what the government is trying to do here is incentivize individuals to donate as much as possible to any kind of COVID-19 relief. And I'm sure you have seen a lot of celebrities doing so, and perhaps you might have made the donations yourself. So let's talk about each one individually and how do they work and how do you actually take advantage of it. So just to give you a little bit of perspective on deducting the $300. So traditionally, if you want to donate to a charity and use that to actually reduce your taxes, you have to be able to itemize. And in order to be able to itemize, you have to be able to essentially reduce your income by a greater amount than your standard deduction. Well, standard deduction for most people is $12,400 for single person, and then $24,800 for a married filing jointly. So what does that mean? If you want to itemize, you have to contribute quite a lot to charity. For most people, their itemizable expenses are state and local taxes, and if you are a property owner, your mortgage. So what this new rule change allows for is if you are currently doing the standard deduction, without itemizing, you can contribute or donate $300 to a charity as long as it's done in cash, as long as it's directly to a 501c3 organization, and as long as you use the standard deduction, you will be able to reduce your income for tax purposes by $300. So that's the first change. Let's talk about the second change. The second change is a lot more straightforward. Really, traditionally speaking, if you want to donate cash to a charity, you can reduce your AGI by about 60%, right? Now, in 2020, that amount has gone up to 100% of your AGI. So what that means is if your adjusted gross income was $100,000, and you are feeling particularly charitable, you can then gift 100,000 to a charity of your choice. Thus, you will have $0 of income. Okay. So in order to actually take advantage of this, very similar to the last rule change, obviously the first thing is you need to be sure that you are donating cash. You also need to be sure that you are donating directly to a 501c3 organization. So what that means is no donor advised funds and no foundations. So those are the two big changes for 2020 in charitable donations. Good luck.